Good afternoon, everyone. It is going to be another nice evening here in South Florida. We're seeing a really pretty day today, lots of sunshine and temperatures once again, certainly on the warm side, temperatures upper 80s. In fact, a couple of 90s inland, and we're going to see more of the same over the next couple of days. Strong area of higher pressure bringing us lots of sunshine. At best, we're just seeing a few isolated thunderstorms all the way into the northern part of the state. That's about it. We're going to be pretty much rain-free right on through Friday. Overnight tonight, temperatures generally in the 70s along the coast. Maybe an upper 60s for the Treasure Coast, 60s though back across the lake. Then as we head into tomorrow, daytime highs middle to the upper 80s, 90s though back into Okeechobee. In fact, 93 the forecasted high tomorrow for Okeechobee, certainly on the hot side there. Here's the extended forecast. Lots of sunshine through Friday. As we head into the weekend, that's when rain chances start to tick up a bit.